Hi friends, Mrs. Elmore here. It's a little chilly outside, but I'm taking advantage of the sunshine to do a little bit of uppotting or repotting, okay? So when our plants outgrow their containers, we uppot them and put them into bigger ones until they're ready to go into the garden. Or if it's a house plant, it can also still outgrow its container. So just think of that and look for signs for that, okay? So for our seedlings, here are some signs to look for. Here's my little sunflower growing in our eggshell. And this is the very first sign. When they become super leggy like this, leggy means that the stem is shot up really tall, but it's starting to lean over. Our plant needs help, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna uppot it. We're gonna take it out of this eggshell and put it in another container, and we're gonna cover up the stem all the way to the base of the leaves, okay? So right to there, like my dirty fingers. And that way our stem becomes more of our root system and our plant can grow stronger, okay? So what you're gonna do, here's another example. I have my sunflowers that were in my plastic water bottle. I'm gonna take my sunflowers, okay? And I'm gonna turn the container, kind of invert it a little bit, and I'm gonna hold the base of the plants, okay? So where they go into the ground. And I'm just gonna wiggle, or what I tell the students is I say I tickle them. I tickle the container until they are ready to come out, okay? So then here's my root system, okay? Now I'm gonna put all of these in one container together because they're not, I don't need to separate them out yet, okay? But I'm gonna put them in a bigger container, all right? So here is a bigger container. It's just one that I've saved from last year when we did this stuff before. I put some soil in it, and then I put the seedlings in it, okay? And you can kind of see that they are crisscrossing each other, all right? So the stems, it's okay if the stems touch. You don't need to put the plants straight into the pot so that they're up and vertical because the stems are gonna become more of the root system, right? Okay, so you just wanna make sure that where the leaves are, they're all separated out and they'll have some room to grow, okay? Then you're gonna hold the base or the leaves where the leaves are coming up, and you are going to cover it with soil. Remember, these are babies, right? So baby plants, so you have to be very gentle with the stems because the stems can break, okay? All right, and then once you're done, it should look something like this, okay? You can see that I've covered up to where the last leaves are, and I haven't filled my pot all the way because one thing that I can do is as they grow, I can add a little bit more soil, and it allows these plants to grow even stronger in this pot until they are ready to be transplanted out into our garden, okay? One thing to think about when we are transplanting them out into the garden, we want to make sure that our plants have at least 3 to 4 true leaves. So our very first leaves that are coming out, these are called our cotyledons, okay? And in the very middle, I'm starting to see 2 new leaves coming out, and those are called the true leaves. So once the plant has developed true leaves and it is strong enough, then we can start thinking about transplanting it into the garden. So I will tell you more about that process as we get closer to planting time, all right? All right, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'm here for you, and happy uppotting. Bye.